infamous spot. It's been a minute, huh? What's happening, guys? Welcome back. Man, this is like a straight up mob car. Pablo Escobar. Well, yeah, guys, you know where we at. You know what time it is. We got the little works on there. You guys ready to see the drip? This guy is never satisfied with his height. He's always going lower. Every time I see this car, it's lower. There it is, guys. Bling, bling. It was only right, man. A lot of you guys probably seen it coming. Typical me. So we went with triple chrome this time. Alright guys, welcome back to the Shoe Palace. Finally I could take these wheels off, and I actually already sold them. I didn't even have to take them off the car and list them. Like, some dude hit me up when I first put them on. Like, yo bro, I need them. So wheels are already sold, and it is time to put these bad boys on. Damn, they look good, man. No matter how many times I chrome or polish a wheel, that shit looks phenomenal every time. If you guys are real OG supporters, you would know that my first set of wheels that I ever bought for my G35 were Barstow ES2s, which are the TE reps. And what did I do? I actually got them full polished. If any of my cars deserve chrome TEs, it's definitely the S15. And I just feel like you can't go wrong with the classic white JDM car on chrome wheels. Like, it just always looks good. Obviously, I wanted a shiny wheel because of everything I have going on in the engine bay. I just wanted everything to have some bling. And there was just no better way to do the TEs. So once again, man, huge shout out to my guy, Devil's Work. I will put his Instagram right here. If you guys want to get your wheels dripped out, you already know who to hit up. Damn, these things look good, man. So yes, I am gonna get center caps for it. The cool thing about the center caps is if I give him the metal ones, he can actually chrome plate them. So the center caps will actually match the wheel. And I've seen it done already and it looks pretty good. So it's probably the route I'm gonna go. That's all they really need. The center caps, and obviously I gotta order some stickers for them. So since we're here, let's talk about it. So you guys remember how I put the new AEM O2 sensor, and that bitch didn't work. That thing worked for like 15 seconds, then it started doing the same shit. It'll basically just, it'll read normal, or read like 14.7, stay in the 14s, and then it'll just go do, and just go all the way lean and dash. So it seems like a lot of people have the same problem with the AEM O2. I don't know why. I don't know if it's a design flaw. Like, it wasn't knockoff or off-brand from AEM, bruh, and them shits don't work. The one that I have in the Z has been working perfectly fine for like over a year. The original one that I had, it sat for a long time, and that one didn't work anymore. It just stopped working. So I got a new one, and it's been fine. So I just did a little bit of digging, got the part number, and I found like an aftermarket sensor, and I was like, oh, I should be able to find it at like AutoZone. So came across this guy right here. This is a direct replacement for the wideband for AEM. Yeah, I put this thing in there, turned the car on, it was working fine. I'm not gonna say too much on it right now just because I only started the car twice, and so far it's working. But just off starting the car with the other sensors, it wasn't working. Like, you let it idle for like 15-20 seconds, it would just go dead. I don't know, man. Hopefully this works. That's crazy, huh? Just so you guys can see. That is just ridiculous. Why'd the BBS cross the road? Because it didn't have enough lip. Woo! Drip incoming. Oh my god! Damn! That shit heat. Honestly, I should just start an OnlyFans for this car at this point, because this is just too much. Y'all should be paying for this. Do you guys see how good that shit looks? I don't think you're seeing this. I think there's too many shadows over there. That shit looks exquisite. I have to take this thing out. I have to take it out today. It needs to come outside. Bro, why does that look so damn good? Holy shit. It's not even on the floor. Even if I raised the car, it should still look good. Damn, son. I'm in love. Wow. This shit looks so good. Holy fuck. Like, I knew it would look good, but damn. Look at this. Bruh. These make the BBSs look stupid. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Damn. It looks really good with the red caliper too. Gotta do the Akibonos now, guys. I have to do it. I mean, I have the 300ZX two-piece rotor up front. It's cool for, like, you know, back in the day, but it's only right to put Akibonos on this. Gotta make it modern, you feel me? Just so you guys can see the vision. It's like, I don't just be putting shit together. Like, I have a vision. Do you see this? Do you see this? This is a part of the vision. Like, look at how good that shit looks together, bruh. Now just imagine with the manifold on and the timing cover full polish. Like, this shit is gonna be just one of one nasty. Now I really gotta put the rear spat on. That shit's bothering me. If you guys don't know what that is, give me a second. I haven't even got a chance to open these, bro. They've been sitting. I had my guy paint them like probably 2 years ago. I haven't even seen them. You guys are seeing it for the first time with me. So this goes here. It needs that so bad. Well, my impact died, so I have to let that charge for a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do these today because it's gonna be time consuming. I know it looks like a little part, but you have to do this shit right. So I need 2 holes here, bam, bam. And then I have to take off the splitter part, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm maybe gonna have to delete this one and put like a long ass bolt and a nut so that way it goes all the way through. Because from here to the bottom of this, there's like this much gap. It's gonna need like a long ass bolt right here and probably right here. I think it's most likely what I'm gonna have to do. Like, this honestly completes the rear bumper. It looks so much better with this on. Look at that. I don't think you guys can really see, but it makes a big ass difference. Especially when you look at the car from this angle right here. And probably go for a test drive later. I'm gonna check the AF, see what the AF is reading, do some pulls. God damn! That shit got full charge. Motherfucker sound like a pit stop. Sold! Too much much sauce. Damn, bro, it looks so good. Let's put some armor on them, bitch. Bam. We not Ashley Larry no more. Damn, Jack farted. I think out of all the cars I've put polished or chrome TEs on, this one's toxic. For sure. I can't get over it. This shit looks sick. Like, I don't even want to drive this car, bro. Like, I just want this shit to spin around in my living room. This just goes too hard, bro. I'm not even really a big fan of white cars. I'm not gonna lie. The chrome with the white looks really good. Like, this shit looks crazy. It actually made the wheels look bigger. They almost look like 19s. My God. Bruh. This came out insane. Wow. All right, guys, so steering wheel is cool, but I'm getting tired of looking at so much when I'm driving this car, so I'm gonna swap it out for my other wheel. Just like that, swapped over. I think it looks better. It's a little less loud, a little more calm. And we got one more thing. I don't know if it's gonna fit though. Hope it does. Ooh, please fit. Ooh, there it is. Very nice. Pretty clean. So I'm gonna take a quick drive. I'm gonna test out the AFR, make sure that's working normal. I know this thing is slaying necks right now. I mean, it's working. I still gotta hit boost and see what it says. So we'll see. Hopefully this shit works right. On the smoke, I'll give you that base map gap. On the road in 3 years. What do you expect? I kind of feel like the gauge is not reading right. I'm not getting into full boost, but like just spooling, it just seems like it's reading super lean, which I know it's not running that lean, so like maybe this O2 is just not working properly. I don't know, man, it's just annoying. Shit, bro. What is this, the third sensor? Trash. Basura. Guys, here we are at my infamous spot. It's been a minute, huh? get over it, man. It looks so good. Definitely the center caps and the sticker. It's gonna help. For sure need to get the rear spat on. And she'll damn near be pretty complete. Gotta put the side splitter on as well. But once we have that, it's gonna be a full kit all the way around. Complete the look. But man, this car just looks so good. OEM plus. A lot of people are asking like, oh, you're gonna wide body or do this body kit, do that body kit. OEM Spec R kit is perfect. The wing, the front bumper, like everything is just perfect to me. Shit is so perfect. I love everything about it. Showing 17, bro. Ain't no way I should run in that lean. Fucking gauge. I feel like it's just a gauge, but just to be on the safe side, no more pulls until we actually get it on the dyno, or until he confirms with me. Beautiful, man. Just beautiful. The wheels look so damn good. Can't get over it. Damn. Once again, huge shout out to my guy Devil's Work. Premium. Exquisite. Drip. That fitment is crazy. You guys probably don't even know how I'm driving like this, huh? That shit's crazy. Chrome tees, set it off, bro. That was definitely the move. It's about time for me to load these things up. They are sold. The buyer is on his way. So later to those. You were good. Great temporary wheels. They were awesome. For like a week, you guys did me well. And on that note, guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here. You guys already know, more content on the way. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video.